too damn long. Me goofing around.
No, it's funny. It's gonna be funny.
All it is me being goofy.
It adds character.
Go with a header.
This is why my goddamn video was so dark. It was. Where the hell's my little sister?
You want to either go with Myers or you want to go with...
Just stay away from the Mopars.
Alright, niggas just don't want to leave. Then I moved to Lonnie. You got a
Y'all be going ADD, like I be forgetting like half the cars are here and shit. Oh, no, oh! Yeah, I don't know what that's about. Hoonigan. Oh, he's back. He's back.
Alrighty then.
What the? Alright, man. I don't have time for this. What the fuck? Look at this motherfucker right here. Your facial expression just made it even more funny. I was like, look at this motherfucker right here. Yo, that vet is like, what the fuck are these motherfuckers here at this car meet? Look at all these little weirdos just at a parking place looking at cars.
The fuck are we still here? The fuck you talking about?
What the fuck is wrong with these people? Why are they so interested in cars?
We're one of those people. We're still here.
What? Hey, what is wrong with these little weirdo people? Look, I told you they was fucking smoking a blunt. I fucking know these things. How about to call the police?
I'll fuck your ass up.
What's wrong with these people? They just come to these gatherings with these loud cars. What's the matter with these people? Then they drive around with these loud things. That's what probably non-car people say. Could y'all like bust a move or something? Make a move. Come on. Come on. Something. Anything. Just a roll. Not you. Fucking hater. Fucking bitch. Make me hate cops.
Huh?
Yeah, cops like that make me hate cops. Make everybody hate cops. You like fucking with people. You like fucking with people. It's a fucking glow in the dark spider. I'm so cute.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.